Not many know how to wield needle and thread. An able tailor is recognized by the perfection of a finished garment, as Royal is recognized by the finesse of its coffee machines. For this work, speed is not everything. It takes the passion and care about details that our team of specialized technicians put into their jobs every day. Each step is scrupulously controlled. Every element is built and assembled with the greatest precision. These are the deeply felt convictions with which we make unique products under the Made in Italy label. Proudly exported worldwide. If you are seeking refined needlework and the skill an artisan proudly boasts, then we can surprise you. Royal coffee machines epitomize the passion, craftsmanship and professionalism the Made in Italy label represents.